I'm Alora Murray, the Global Instructional Developer here at Younique Corporate. And today we are doing some training on our two newest Younique Royalty products, the Younique Royalty Cleansing Stick and the Younique Royalty Brightening Mask. If you have any questions during the live, don't hesitate to ask because we have Category Manager, the amazing and beautiful Bahari in the social corner, ready to answer as many questions as she can. Right, Bahari?
Yep, I'm gonna do my best.
All right, awesome. So let's get to it. Let's start with how to use the Younique Royalty Cleansing Stick because we know a lot of you have been asking about this. So here with me, you can see that I have this beautiful lady right next to me. This is Karina. She is a project manager here at Younique. She's absolutely amazing. And as you can see, she has a full face of makeup on. Beautifully done. She did it herself. She's wonderful. What do you have on, Karina?
I have the social lip stain, which all of you that went to convention should have.
The stiff upper lip
the stiff
stain.
upper lip stain. And I also have the Moodstruck Waterproof Epic Mascara in black.
Ooh, the Moodstruck Epic, whoa, tongue-tied. Moodstruck Epic Mascara in black waterproof. Yes. So these products are famous for being long-wearing and waterproof. Let's take a look at how the Younique Royalty Cleansing Stick fares against them. So, Karina, I'm going to have you take this off, and I'm just going to have you take off one side of your beautiful makeup. It's so pretty that I'm really hesitant to have you take this off because it looks so good. But I'm going to have you do it. It's all for the live. All right.
As long as you guys don't get scared without seeing me without makeup, I'm good. I can do it.
You'll be fine. Get started. Let's do this.
So, here we go.
All right, so this product, while she's doing that, I'm going to tell you a little bit about the product. It's really easy to use, which you will love because it helps save you time. It's emollient-based, which is important for you because it is made with ingredients that work hard. So Karina has already started. So we're going to walk you through the steps on how to use it. So you can take the stick and apply it directly to the eye area, lips, or face. So that's what she's doing right now. She's going around her face. As you can see, it's already starting to take off. So she's gonna do her foundation, going around there. How does that feel, Karina?
Oh, it feels so soft.
I love it. And I'm closer and I can see how the makeup is already starting to break up a little bit. So she's gonna go around there. And once you have started to apply, you wanna gently massage it into the skin to loosen and dissolve the makeup. So she's tackling the lip stain, and can you already see it working? Look at that, it is amazing. So I'm gonna have her keep doing that, and you're going to remove the excess with a damp cloth or Younique Royalty Shine Cloths. So I'm gonna have her keep doing that, and I'm going to grab you. I happen to have a damp cloth right here, ready to go. As she's doing that, my dear, and I will grab you a mirror too. And I can already see right here, you can see how the waterproof mascara is just easily coming off. And can you see how gentle she's doing this? Like, you don't have to that sound effect means pushing really hard. You don't have to do that. You can be really soft and we'll get the makeup off. So, my dear, I'm gonna hand you this mirror as you continue to do that. So how does it feel on your skin?
Oh, it feels so soft. I don't feel as it's sticky at all. It just feels like I have like some sort of cream or lotion on my face. Very soft, very smooth.
Love it. Okay, so I'm gonna give you the mirror.
Awesome. Oh wow.
She's looking at it. Oh wow, that was authentic, people. Oh wow, so she's gonna keep doing that. And like when you can see that she's just kind of like moving it all over her face. If you wanted to kind of wash off the stick in between like your eyes and your lips, you can. You can use a towel and just wipe off the top or one of our cleansing cloths to do that. You don't necessarily have to do that, but if you wanted to, you totally can.
Yeah.
All right, my dear, I'm gonna hand you this damp cloth.
Okay, I'll trade you.
All right, hand me the stick. You could see, like, look at that. All that makeup that came off.
Oh, my chiffon right there.
And like we said, like, the stiff upper lip stain is really known for being long wearing. And this guy, this amazing cleansing stick right here helps to get it off.
Yeah.
And you can see, I'm gonna have her reveal it to you in just a second, but I wanted her to use the mirror so she could kind of see what was going on. I'm really in awe. I mean, Zach, I don't know how much of it you can already see, how well it's taking it off. But look.
Yeah, let's do my eye.
So you're gonna get your mascara.
Oh, wow.
Look at that.
Okay, people, you promise not to make fun of my face, right?
Oh, we're Y family. We're all beautiful with or without makeup.
Okay.
And then let's see here. Look at that. Can you see this? Can you see the difference between her beautiful, this side, well, both sides are beautiful, but this side she has all of her makeup on, her waterproof mascara, her stiff upper lip stain, and then you have this is the side that the cleansing stick, she used the cleansing stick on that side. So you can really see how well it works and how simple it is. And I know some of you were asking about how to get it off afterwards, and like you saw with Karina, you can use a damp towel or you can use our cleansing cloths. Either one will work, so there you have it. Bahari, my dear, are there any questions coming in?
The first question I saw was, will it remove waterproof mascara? And yes, it will. In my experience, it has removed it with no issues, no tugging, anything. It just takes it right off and leaves your lashes feeling great. And then the next one is, how long will it last? Obviously, Karina was using it all over her face. So for someone that's using it on heavy like that, it can last 30 to 45 days, give or take. If you're using it really lightly, like I only use it on my eyes and lips, it'll be about 2 to 3 months of use.
All right, awesome, love it. And yes, you asked if it takes off waterproof mascara, and you saw that it did. I feel like, ta-da, kind of like a magician. So again, the cleansing stick is an amazing, amazing tool to take off your makeup. Love it. Is there anything else you'd like to say, Karina, about how it felt?
No, it's just amazing. I want to put makeup now. Where's my waterproof mascara?
All right, awesome. Well, thank you for being with us, Karina. I'm going to have you step out, and I am going to bring another guest in to talk about the Younique Royalty Brightening Mask. All right. Ari, have a seat.
Thank you.
Okay, can we also talk about the color of this mask before we get into anything else? I mean, people, it's gold. It's gold. We have struck gold with this mask. You know, I love it. So I'm going to move on now. I just had to talk about the color. This is Younique's first peel-off mask, which means you have a no-mess removal. The mask was formulated with special ingredients to improve and even the appearance of skin tone, minimize the appearance of pores, and visibly improves skin elasticity. So what does that mean for you? Well, we now have a product that makes your skin feel softer and look more radiant. So, application. As you can see, Ari already she already applied the mask. Oh, I didn't even introduce you. You guys, this is Ari. She works in our translations department. Not only is she beautiful, but she is a smarty pants. How many languages do you speak?
3.
3. I speak 1, so.
Don't
Way to go.
Really tight, so.
So she has already applied the mask. So Ari, can you walk us through the steps you did to get the mask on?
So first you want to make sure that you wash your face. We used one of our Younique Royalty cleansers, which works really well. And then you want to dab off the wet, just the water. And then you want to apply the mask by either using our Younique applicator, or you can use your fingers to apply an even layer on your whole face. Just make sure that you cover the areas that you want to work with. In my case, I did the whole face. And
I
then,
love that.
Yes, and then afterwards you want to wait about 15 minutes or until it's dry, and then you're gonna start peeling it off on the, starting on the sides and just removing it, and it's really fun. So
I loved how
Yeah.
you said the area you want to work with, because we have 4 different masks right now, which is really great for multi-masking. So if you just want to brighten here and maybe detoxify everywhere else, or maybe you want to use all 4 at the same time, that's totally fine. That's what multi-masking is. So she has let this sit, so I'm going to let you start peeling. Are you ready to peel?
I am. Do you want to
All right,
this?
yes.
Thank
I would
you.
love to hold that for you, my dear. Actually, I'm going to
Do you
put
have
it
a
on the
mirror
table.
just so I can
Yes.
start filling? Because
I
the
did have
edges
a
are
mirror.
always a little bit smoother. So
Are you ready, Ari?
Yes.
All right.
You can
Get
see
it, girl.
It's so dark. It's already starting to peel off right here.
Look at that.
Do you want to hold this?
Yes.
I'm going to go over onto the side and show you guys. You got the sack?
Look at this. Oh, it's so cool.
And it feels so funny.
Oh, I love it.
Here, there's my face.
Ta-da!
go.
And look at that. I love it. My face. Do you want to like? She has a little bit of areas that she's going to take off. We also wanted to mention that some of the ingredients in this mask may give you kind of a tingling sensation. So that's something to be aware of. So if you have sensitive skin, put it on a small patch of skin before you put it on your whole face. So that's just something we wanted you guys to think about. So while you're getting off just the little guys that are left, how does your skin feel now?
It feels amazing. First of all, it's super smooth, and I don't know if you could see, but it was really tight. And so right now my skin just feels like really tight and nice and fresh, and yeah, it feels really good.
So
really,
in your personal experience, what have you noticed by using this mask?
So I noticed, first of all, that I feel like you look fresher. So if you want to have that fresh look right in the morning, I would apply it before you leave. And you can see I had already my lashes done and my eyebrows. So you can just apply it and then peel it off and you're good to go. Apply your foundation and you're good, right? And yeah, in my personal experience, I've also noticed that the appearance of my pores are a lot better than they used to be, because I have really big pores and they actually look a lot nicer than they usually do.
So you've noticed that personally. I love it. And I have to tell you, Michelle, who works in legal, told me that she thinks this mask smells like sunshine.
It smells so good. It's almost like I don't know what it is, but almost like an orange citrusy smell. So it's fresh and it's like, wake up, you're ready for the day.
So not only does it look really cool and it peels off and it works, but it smells delicious.
It smells so good.
So pretty much this mask is awesome.
Yep.
All right, Bahari, what do we have in the social corner?
Okay, so there was a question, will this product help age spots or dry spots? Yes, this is meant to help overall your skin tone, so it will help the appearance of all of those, including dark spots on your face. So yes, use it for those. Also, is there tingling or burning with this mask? There should never be burning. There is an ingredient in it that causes a little bit of tingling, which I like because it feels like it's working to me. So that's fine. If you ever feel uncomfortable or like it's too much intensity, make sure you take it off and discontinue use.
Awesome. Okay. So Bahari, before we wrap up, I mentioned it a little bit when we started talking, but we have 4 Younique royalty masks now that they each do different things. Do you have any tips that you can give us on multi-masking?
Okay, I personally love using them that way because I do have my T-zone that gets really oily. And then I like to put the brightening mask here because I do have some spots from acne and whatnot. So those are the 2 that I like, and then exfoliating on my chin because it tends to get dry, so my face is pretty much just a mess. But I like to put them on all at the same time and look kind of like a puzzle, and then wait for them to dry, peel it off, and then wash the others off, and it's great.
Okay, I love it. Thank you. So that is all the time we have for you guys today, but we want to hear more from you. If you have any tips and tricks for using these products, drop them in the comments below. We would also love to see your gold faces and any pictures you take, maybe multi-masking. We would love to see those pictures. So have a blast taking care of your skin. We'll see you later.